And today's purchase from AliExpress. There was no flap to open. I had to rip it open myself. Anyway, nice bit of double wrap. And inside here we have something which I class as an essential. Now this cost 11p plus £2 postage. Although actually the postage was £2.39, but because I got 3 items together, it was free delivery. So that cost me basically 11p. Now this is nearly identical to the military issue going back nearly 100 years. And all it is very simple, 2 pieces of metal with a hinge. And this is a can opener. It's quite literally you, right-handed users only, I'm afraid. You just put that into your can and you just wiggle, 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 and it's really effective. That's your bottle opener, of course. And you've got some other bits on here which I'm not allowed to explain because it's going on YouTube. You've got a little bit of a hole there so you can put a lanyard through or a bit of string, but it folds down so small. And if you've ever had to open a can or a tin with a knife, all you end up doing is splattering yourself a load of shit. This is an essential. It weighs practically nothing. It takes up hardly any space. That should be in every survival tin, let alone your grab bag. And yet you rarely see these. Yes, you can go and buy yourself a nice big can opener, but why when you can get something this small and it is strong steel? You know, you could bend it if you stamped on it, but it's one of these things. It's very simple and it's very effective. So yeah, can tin opener, plus other uses which I can't really go into details, although it does involve dead bunnies.